More than 33 million people in Pakistan were affected by severe floods this year. This is 75% of the total country. Pakistan lost major infrastructure including road, health system, schools, power supply, and so on. It will take years to rebuild it. Rebuilding again is not the solution that can help countries like Pakistan. We need to build for the better to withstand greater pressures. Pakistan's flood disaster is not over yet. We are still in a state of emergency. But on a longer term, we have to rethink and revisit our concept of development.